With the help of Google Forms, you can easily create online custom forms. You can create a new form and edit it with others at the same time. This video covers how to convert a Google form to Word file. Let's begin. First step is to open your Google form. This is the form I will use. To convert a Google form to Word file, open your Google form. We need to follow two steps to convert Google form to Word file. First step is to convert Google form to PDF and the second step is to convert PDF to Word. Let's start with the first step, that is, let's convert Google form to PDF. Towards the right top, click on the More option. In the More option, click on Print option. A window will appear of Print. So towards the right side, Destination option, click on the small arrow option. Here, we need Save as PDF. Click this option. Now click on Save option. To save your file, give name to your file. Click on Save. After clicking on Save option, the PDF file is saved into your computer. So here on the desktop is my file. This one, Google Forms Word file. Double click and open the file. So this is the file converted to PDF. The first step to convert Google Form to PDF is completed. Next step, the second step is to convert PDF to Word. To convert this PDF file to Word, we'll use one website online. Online one website is available using which into seconds will convert a PDF file to Word file. Open website ilovepdf.com. Click on the first link. Now we want to convert PDF to Word. Here is the option to convert PDF to Word. Click on this. Click Select PDF file. Select your file. So this is the PDF file. Click on Open. Next step, final step, click on Convert to Word. Now the file will be converted into Word. So here is the file converted. You can also download by clicking on this Download Word option. Open this file. Click on Show in Folder. So this is the file converted. Double click. So this is Google Form converted to Word file. Enable editing. You can remove unnecessary lines, text, questions, and other things. In this way, you can convert Google Form to Word file. Follow these two steps to convert. First step is to convert Google Form to PDF and second step is to convert PDF to Word file. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching.